The United States of America, brilliant goal! Champions of the world, and for the very first time they've done it on European soil. It is finished at the start.
Everyone is ready for this conversation to move to the next step. I think we're done with the are we worth it, should we have equal pay. I mean, we put on, as all players, I'm saying every player at this World Cup, put on the most incredible show that you could ever ask for. We can't do anything more.
Bar again, bar, showing himself in the World Cup final, of course.
I'm not going to the White House.
I want to congratulate the women's soccer team on winning the World Cup.